Restoration is not what you think it is. Restoring an ecosystem rarely means working in untouched natural splendor. To restore an ecosystem is to work in the margins, the forgotten and overlooked places, the spaces we all live and work. The places that need restoration the most are, by definition, landscapes fundamentally altered by human activities. But people are not a problem to be solved. People are the solution. Our restoration activities take place in lawns, weedy lots, greenhouses, and fire scars. They center people alongside biodiversity. In the Palouse, we work with homeowners to restore endangered prairie in their yards. In the Great Plains, we work with governments, tribes, and businesses to increase access to native plant seeds. In Madagascar, we work with local communities to create economies that improve livelihoods while restoring endangered rainforest, and so much more. Restoration requires collaboration. It requires a diversity of supporters across all walks of life. If you're watching this video, you can help too. Give us, the Phoenix Conservancy, a follow, like our content, spread the word, engage with other conservation organizations. If you're able, even small financial contributions make a world of difference for the nonprofits you believe in. Together, we can ensure endangered ecosystems rebound and support biodiversity and people everywhere.